What's happening, my GeoStews? Sorry guys, I couldn't be there today, or be here today. Something came up. So today this is what you guys are doing. You guys are finding the surface area and lateral area of various solids so that you guys can share formulas or methods by finding these areas, okay? And then you guys will know you can know that you can do it when you guys can prove that a formula for a lateral area works. All right. So you guys are watching the agenda video right now, and then we're gonna pause on the video and have you guys work on this, and then I might have you guys unpause a little bit so that I can explain to you guys how to fill out the chart. Don't forget, tomorrow is cereal day, and obviously since I'm not here today, I cannot collect the 50 cents for the milk and the bowls. So tomorrow we're going to not only continue on what we're learning, but I'm going to pass back your test and show you guys what you guys earned on your last test. If you guys want to participate tomorrow, please bring your cereal and 50 cents to help with the milk and the bowls. I just said that. And then you guys have an HQ on assignment 8 tomorrow. Assignment 8 was an old assignment. Let me show it to you. Here it is. I think you guys might remember this. I also put up all the answers for you guys. If you don't have the answers, ask your neighbors because they should have them. But I'm going to give you guys a couple of these shapes for your homework quiz tomorrow, and you guys are going to show me that you guys know the formulas that you need in order to find the areas of these shapes. So I'm going to have passed out to you guys 3 sets of these nets. That's what they're called. They're flattened out 3-dimensional shapes. 3 sets of these nets, and you guys are going to cut them out, fold them up into their 3-dimensional figures. Okay, because that's what we're working with today. We're working with 3-dimensional figures, and we're going to find the surface area of them and the lateral area of them. So what the heck is surface area and lateral area? Okay, surface area and lateral area is what we're talking about in lesson 7. That's what you guys are on. You're going to take the nets and fold them up into 3-dimensional shapes. The surface area, think of the surface area, this is like the total area that you would paint. So if you guys were to paint your shapes that you guys are cutting out, that would be the total area that's getting painted. The lateral area, that is the total area minus the bases. Okay, total area minus the bases. Now the bases, those are usually parallel to each other, and they're the same exact shapes. There's only one type of 3-dimensional figure, the ones you guys are working with today, that do not have 2 bases, and those are the pyramids. The pyramids only have 1 base, but all the other ones, they're called prisms. Those ones have 2 bases, and they're identical shapes. So if you guys are looking at this shape right here, this is going to make a cylinder. The circles are the bases. They're parallel to each other, and they're the same shape, same area and everything for each of those. The lateral area would be only the area of this rectangle. Okay, that's the lateral area for the cylinder. This will form a hexagonal prism. What the heck is a hexagonal prism? Because this is a hexagon, it has 3 sides. This is called a hexagonal prism. The bases are the hexagons, so this guy and this guy. When you guys fold this up, one of these will be your top, one of these will be your bottom. Those are the bases, okay? And then the area of whatever this is, those would be your lateral area. Surface area would be the lateral area plus the area of the bases. These are the directions for your activity. You're just cutting out the nets, and you're making them into 3-dimensional shapes. And then for each of the shapes, which are these right here, that's what you're going to make. You're going to make a cube, a rectangular prism, a square-based pyramid, a hexagonal prism, and a cylinder. You're going to make a sketch of it. You're going to sketch the net, and then you're going to write how to find the area of one of the bases, write how you would find the lateral area, and then write how you would find the surface area. Now, surface area, remember, was going to be the area of the bases plus the lateral area. Use the markings that are already on the shapes, like this A, this H, and this S, to write your formulas. Okay, so here we have an R and an H. and then an S and an H. Use those letters to write your formulas right here. If you're wrong, that's fine. All right, I want you guys to kind of just take a guess to see if you guys can do it on your own. And then answer these questions, 4 and 5. I think you guys can do it, but if you can't, it's okay if you skip them and get to this part right here, because I know for sure you guys can do this one. For these ones, you just have to shade the bases, shade what the bases are for each of these shapes. And you guys can use highlighters. I have highlighters over there in my bookshelf over by table 6, or you guys can use your own highlighters or pens or pencils. Just shade what the bases are, and then when I come back tomorrow, I'll review this and make sure you guys understand it. If you guys miss Thursday and Friday, you guys have a little bit of extra stuff to do. You can do it here in class, or you guys can do it at home. You need to grab these pages from my desk. There's 3 total, so there's this one, and then there's these 2 right here. You got to cut these out and match them to what their descriptions are in lesson 6. If you want to, you can just take pictures of your neighbors and copy theirs. But I need you guys to spend time with each of these figures and which explanation they match up to. You got to cut them out and paste them, or you guys can draw them if you wanted to. So that's it for the day, guys. Don't forget to write down your assignment. See if you guys get started on that tomorrow. You guys can answer or ask questions about it tomorrow, before you guys take your HQ for it on Wednesday. All right. Don't forget, assignment 8 HQ is tomorrow, and that's for the areas. You guys should have scissors at every table, and you should also have tape. I think I only have 3 tape dispensers, so you guys are gonna have to share. Just go and grab like 5 pieces or however many you need to complete your shape. And it looks like you guys didn't need to pause anywhere on here. You just need to watch it all the way through. All right, see you guys tomorrow.